What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money from USA to Pakistan using TapTap Send. So let's get started. Now, first off, if you just created your TapTap Send account, you have an opportunity to claim some free cash by using a promo code. So if you use a promo code from the description below and input it right here in this box, then you will get $15 on your next transfer. So you can grab that opportunity to get some free funds. But now let's go ahead and continue with the tutorial. So to transfer money from USA to Pakistan, as you can see, I'm currently in EU, so I have euros right here. Now, if you have any other currency, just be sure to input your correct address, because TapTap Send uses your address information. Select your currency. So if you're in the US, just go ahead and change your address to the US address, and then you will have dollars right here. So next you would need to select Pakistan as the recipient country on this upper menu. So let's go ahead and do so. And here it is right here. So once you selected Pakistan, as you can see, you would need to input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. So let's say 20 euros, or in your case, if you're in the US, this will be $20. So just go ahead and tap next. And here you would be able to add a recipient. So just tap add a new recipient. And here are a few different options that Pakistani people can use to receive money from US. So you can just select whichever one of these options the person that you're sending money to has. So let's say bank account. And here you would just need to input the information of the bank account of that person that you're sending money to. After that, you would just need to select check details. And after the check, you would be able to just confirm the transaction, sending money from your bank account, your card, or whichever payment method you connected to TapTap Send to your recipient in Pakistan. And then you can just confirm the transaction and the money will be transferred. So essentially, that's guys how you can transfer money from US to Pakistan using TapTap Send. Thank you for watching.